So for anybody watching this video and you plan to use the coupon codes provided in the description down below, make sure that you download the Temu app and insert the code that's in the text at the bottom of the screen. This is gonna make you guys eligible for a $100 coupon and also 90% off your first purchases for new users. The $100 coupon is for all users and 90% off is for new users only. Again, please use the link in the description to get these discounts. There's gonna be prices listed under each item I'm showcasing. There's gonna be showing the discounted price and also the price in brackets that I paid for the unit. This is an unboxing video. Shoutouts to Temu. I wanted to show you guys amongst all the crap you might find on those websites, there are some useful things. So I'm gonna unbox this package and show you what I ended up getting to help show you guys that there's some useful shit out there. First and foremost, I was looking for Dreadlock product on this website. Now, I did have some issues finding a lot of Dreadlock stuff, but I did come across some. These being beanies, Dreadlock Tams, hats to hold your hair in, very nice quality. These are visor Tams of the Rasta knitted kind. This one is very similar, just with a different pattern on it. Will definitely hold your locks quite well. Ooh, this one. This is a Dreadlock sleeping cap. It's kind of like a silk. It's kind of like a silk cap. The end is sewn shut. But you can wear these to bed if your head is small enough, I guess. I don't know whose head is going to fit that one. That one's kind of a weird size. So I'm going to have to stretch the shit out of it before I can wear it to sleep. That's for sure. I'll get a closer in-depth shot of this in a minute. Now, not everything that I ended up getting was Dreadlock related. So, and I actually kind of found it difficult to fulfill my $300 order that I was blessed with. So I ended up getting a lot of vinyl stickers here. Now, these I love because I'm a big sticker fiend. And if you've seen my car before, my Thule box is completely sticker bombed fully. So I wanted to get a few more of these just to touch up any spots that were needing some love. So a lot of stickers in this order, and these aren't just stickers; these are vinyl decals. These ones will last in the weather, in the rain, in the sun. These ones will last the best out of any sticker for outdoors. This one is backwards, but it says Slow Car Club. Definitely in the slow car club. Oh, I got this one from my lady friend. F-bomb mom with tattoos, pretty eyes, and thick thighs. It's a sticker. This is a vinyl decal of a horse. My family loves horses, as you can see by my pillow here. You know, we're a big horse family. I spent a lot of times working around horses in my life. This one is another decal, just like a splatter bug. This is a decal. I think it's just webbing. There's a few of them in here, actually. Yeah, this is like a webbing pattern. Spider-Man, Halloween-y type of flow. Like I said, lots of stickers. This sticker is let's see here. Oh, these are just some bats. Vinyl decal. Oh, this one is actually kind of funny. I'm gonna have to save this one, but it says get off my ass, cock, and there's a lollipop. That one's funny. That's a funny one. This one's jokes. It says send nudes, the band sticker. This is the band for Korn. Korn has some infamous dreadheads in that band. I think that's all for stickers. So the other stuff that I got off of Temu that I wanted to be useful. So there's my sticker pile. Put that to the side. First thing I'm going to show you is this. Now this is for the car. It's a cigarette lighter power adapter that splits it into two. I only have one cigarette lighter in my car that's operating, so I wanted to split it into two so that I could power up my biggest purchase out of the box, which is a dash cam mirror. Record a better world. I really wanted to try these out. I saw my neighbor had one installed in his car, and this basically goes on your rear view mirror, and it's a dash cam, so I can record all the bad drivers out there in the world. I guess if I open this up real quick, just take a quick look at it. Let's see what the quality is. I think this was about $90 or $100 or something like that. So it is like a little mirror, but this mirror is actually a HD display. I'm pretty sure the camera on the back here records at 2K, 2.7K, and this should just clip onto my existing rearview mirror. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to get this installed. What else is in the box here? We got the power supply, which is why I got this to extend it into. Also comes with a rear view parking mirror. A rear view parking camera. And another device here. Not sure what that is, but we will get into that later. Though, honestly, it looks like pretty good quality. Looks pleasing. I'm excited to get that set up. Okay, I also got some camping stuff I wanted to show you. Now, this one is a emergency camping stove. Now, it's just a tiny one. And what this does is it should just open up somehow. Like this. So that just opens up like that. It's a very simple device. And sometimes you can put like gel fuel or wax fuel down here and you light it on fire. And you got a little bit of a stove top here. Just enough heat to put your little camping mug made out of stainless steel. And I made sure to get the one with a lid so that when I'm out doing some hikes with you guys this month, I could take a canister. This one's actually a little bit bigger than what I was expecting it to be. Alright, so you take your canister. I don't know how this opens up, but you start your fire, you put this on top like that, and then you can just boil water. You can warm up soup, a little bit of chili, whatever else you might be cooking when you're on the side road or deep in the trail, or when you're just solo camping somewhere. So I will figure out how this kind of operates. There's a lid for it, and there's a little bit of a carrying bag for it inside. Oh, that just squeezes in and clips down like that. And then you can put this on top of there with your fire going, and then the lid just kind of goes on top like that, and you're cooking up. So that's pretty cool. Like, to me, that is a very useful Temu purchase because the quality is really good and it's super useful. I'm not a very consumeristic person, and if people are trying to sell me crap that I don't need, it just irritates me. So I would never want to promote stuff to people that they would never find useful in their life. Next up in the bag here, we got some more Dreadlock stuff here. A couple more stickers actually too. Okay, so this is some beads. These look like they're cotton thread beads for some locks. I couldn't find any really big ones, but these ones seem like they're pretty decent for some smaller locks. So I might find some dreads to put these on. I also might just give some of these away to some people. But yeah, little dreadlock beads. And I wanted something a bit more organic in material opposed to like plastic or beads. I don't really like glass beads. Wooden beads are cool too, but up until you try to wash them, then they're not cool. This is a lock cap. Very similar to the other one that I had purchased here, but I'm hoping these ones are different. So let's go ahead and open these up and see what they're like. So again, kind of like, oh yeah, kind of like a sleeping cap. Just move that out of the way there. This is kind of like a sleeping cap. Stretchy material. This one seems a lot nicer than the other ones that I bought. Opened end on this side, so you can put it all. You can put your locks all the way through. I kind of prefer the open-ended sleeves when I'm sleeping, opposed to the closed-ended ones. Like this one here is actually a closed, but you can kind of see the size difference in them. I don't know what's up with this one. It's really tiny. And then there's also a gray one here. Gray one with the same as a black, stretchy, good material as well. Those would be great for sleeping. I usually always sleep in something like that. This is another sticker. This one looks pretty big. Vinyl decal, not just any sticker. This is a vinyl decal. This one is the, I don't remember what this one is. Let's see. It's a big one though, that's for sure. I got a really good Bob Marley decal from a website like this. I'll definitely include a picture of that I have it on my car. It's probably one of my favorite decals I've ever gotten. Oh, this one is a bear print, a bear paw. That's crazy. That's a lot bigger than I expected it to be. Holy crap. That's massive. But that's probably like life size of an actual grizzly bear. I definitely don't have room for that one on my car, but we'll see where that one goes. I got another. This is my last decal of the pile. Oh, this one's looking pretty dope. Oh, this one's from Friends. I don't know if you can read that, but it says Central Perk. Friends. Gotta love Friends. I think I've watched Friends 7 or 8 times all the way through. Definitely a classic show. Seinfeld's definitely better, but Friends is a classic. Gotta give my respects to that TV show there. And lastly here, I got one more thing for the car pile. I mean, I find car stuff always to be useful. And this one is actually just a socket. It's a 21 millimeter socket for a tension bar. What is it called? Like a socket wrench. I can't remember what they're called, but I have this so I can change my winter tires over every year. This is just a spare one that I bought. I already have the same size of a socket. But I basically put this on my impact drill, zoop, 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 take off all my bolts, change my tires, zoop, 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 put it back on. And then the second one that I use, I'll put it on my socket or my tension bar, and I'm able to tighten them up just enough. So very useful tool as well. So today was pretty good. We got 3 things for the car: rear view mirror, power accessory, and a socket. 2 things for camping and hiking: a little bit of a camping stove and a cooking pot. We got a few things for the dreadlock pile. Very useful Tams. Very useful sleeping garments if you can find the right size for yourself on there, and some beads. And then lastly, because stickers are so fun, we got a really nice quality haul of fun stickers. And these are quality in the terms that they will last you. These won't fade out, they won't wear off. This is a sticker that we missed. This is actually Sasquatch. But yeah. Oh, I don't know how we missed this one too. Stay Trashy with the trash panda on there. Oh, there's a whole bunch more here. The fungi. The sea turtles. Need a tool? Go buy it and don't use mine. And yeah, that's it.